Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your value proposition with IBM, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your value proposition with IBM, start by identifying your target audience. Understand their specific needs and pain points. Gather feedback from current customers through surveys or interviews. Analyze industry trends that may impact your audience. Research your competition to see how they position themselves. Define what makes your product or service unique. Craft a clear and concise value proposition statement. Focus on the benefits rather than just features. Use storytelling to enhance emotional engagement. Validate your value proposition with real data and customer testimonials. Create visual aids or infographics to demonstrate your value proposition. Test your value proposition through A/B testing in marketing campaigns. Continuously refine your message based on customer feedback. Document the new value proposition across all communication channels. Ensure your sales and marketing teams are aligned with the updated proposition. Monitor the impact of the new value proposition on customer engagement. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on performance metrics. Finally, keep the value proposition dynamic to adapt to future changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.